The power of extensive listening in learning English. Learning a new language can sometimes feel like solving a tricky puzzle. There are many pieces to put together: vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and more. Among these, listening is a vital skill. Have you heard of extensive listening? Well, it's a method that can make learning English easier and more enjoyable. Extensive listening means listening to English for an extended period without focusing too much on individual words or phrases. Instead, you listen to understand the general meaning of what you hear. It's like enjoying a scenic drive through the countryside. Instead of carefully studying every tree or blade of grass, you're simply taking in the beauty of the landscape as a whole. Similarly, in extensive listening, you're absorbing the overall meaning of the English language without getting caught up in every individual word or phrase. Why does extensive listening work? Because language acquisition occurs when learners receive language input that is slightly above their current level. Learners acquire language best when they understand about 70% of the language they hear or read. Extensive listening exposes learners to a variety of English accents, intonations, and speech patterns, making the input more comprehensible over time. I did an entire video on comprehensible input and this idea of only needing to understand 70%. The video goes deeper into this theory, and it's very interesting, so I suggest you watch it. I'll put a link in the description below and also at the end of this video. And now, here are some tips for effective extensive listening. Choose appropriate material. Select audio content that matches your interests and language level. This could be podcasts, audiobooks, TED Talks, or even English radio shows. Start with simpler content and gradually increase the difficulty as you improve. By the way, we have a whole playlist of audiobooks, so go check them out. I'll put a link in the description below, as well as at the end of this video. Listen regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside time each day to listen to English. It could be during your commute, while exercising, or before going to bed. The more you listen, the more your brain gets used to the language. Use variety. Don't just stick to one type of content. Mix it up. Listen to different accents, topics, and genres. This helps you develop a well-rounded understanding of English and keeps you engaged. Don't stress out about understanding everything. Remember, the goal of extensive listening is to get the gist of what you hear, the main idea. It's okay if you miss some words or phrases. Focus on enjoying the process rather than getting every detail right. And now, here's some content you should use for extensive listening. Podcasts. Listen to podcasts on topics you enjoy, whether it's science, history, or comedy. For beginners, podcasts with clear and slow speech are beneficial. As you progress, challenge yourself with something faster. Audiobooks. Choose audiobooks of your favorite novels or stories. Follow along with the text if it's available. This helps reinforce vocabulary and comprehension while improving listening skills. The benefit of using our audiobook videos is that you can read along to the words on the screen, and you can even activate subtitles in your native language. Check out our audiobooks playlist at the end of this video. Movies and TV shows. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles at first. As you become more comfortable, try watching without subtitles to enhance your listening skills further. In conclusion, extensive listening is a valuable tool for learning English as a second language. By immersing yourself in English audio content regularly and focusing on understanding the overall meaning rather than every single word, you can improve your listening skills significantly. So, plug in your headphones, tune in to some English content, and embark on your English learning journey with confidence. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, please support it and this channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, please hit that subscribe button, and remember, enjoy the journey. See you next time.